Hello guys, how are you all? I know it's been so long that I have talked to you guys, and sorry for that. I was stuck with one or the other thing, but I always wanted to talk with you all. It was always on my mind that I should record something and talk to you people. So today I've got something that's maybe boring for some people and that might be helpful for few of you. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about it and that's why I'm here. One of my friend asked me about a thing that he was not sure of. He wanted to know a few things about it, and I thought most of us has the same question, and like most of us wonder same thing again and again, and we are like we don't have the answers to it. At times we do have the answers, and if you have the answer, then good luck and thank you. Do share it with me. But for the ones who don't have it, like me, because I didn't have those answers way like few years back, but now with my experiences and with the way life is treating me, I have got few answers to the question. So the question is, life always gives. So basically, that's not a question. That's basically a sentence that states that life always gives. Yeah. So he asked me whether life always gives. So I just answered in few words basically. I said yes. Life gives you everything. Doesn't matter it's good or bad, but it gives you everything because what's good or bad it's what we decide respective of our current status, current state of mind, and current requirements basically. So what we need is might be different from what God wants to give to you. Yeah, I believe in God, and I think most of you will. And if you don't, then consider it as destiny. Okay. So when life gives you everything, good or bad, happiness, sorrows, laughters, cries, maybe everything that we can just count on our fingers because that's what we have like every day in our lives. So along with that, I would like to add one thing that it gives us negative points, but along with that, it gives us positive points. We don't know that whether it's a positive thing or a negative until we go to the future and see whether it's happening in the right direction or in the wrong direction. But for the time being, we consider that negative thing. Whenever something that's against to our will happens, like something that we wanted always to happen, and it sometimes somehow doesn't work out, it somehow just breaks down, you feel that oh that's the worst thing that could ever happen to me because I've did everything, I've prepared everything, I've given my everything to that thing. So for you that's a worst experience, but I think with life I've understood one thing, that there's no such bad experiences. There are times when you see things as bad, but ultimately when the tables turn, when the time passes by, you realize that those things are very important for you. Those things make you the person who you are. Those things makes you feel gratitude, make you have this feeling of groundedness, and everything that you have is because of your bad experiences. And when life gives you, it doesn't consider it being good or bad, it's just our perception to things. And when life gives us goods, we appreciate it, we love it, we say it's like our, it's our birthright that we have to have the happiness. But when we life gives us sorrow, we say, oh, why am I is the only one who has got this, why I'm not among the ones who have got the happiness. But that's the thing, because everyone has their time zone, everything has its time, and everyone has their settled path. They have to follow it, they have to go through it. You might have got your happiness earlier, or you might get it after a few years in life, or maybe you never get it because that's how life works. We don't know what's in the store for us, right? So we need to appreciate that fact that okay, whatever I have, I should be grateful for whatever I have. Because when you compare yourself with someone who has gone a step ahead you, maybe in an examination, maybe in some job interview, maybe in your increments and anything. So try considering someone who's below you, like not a step below. Try considering someone who's like way below than you, maybe your office boy, maybe your maid's kids, of maybe someone who only dreams about the life that you have, who believe that if they have whatever you have, they'll be the happiest. So, now we can, in from these situations, we can see that what is the cause of sorrow for you is the cause of happiness for them. So, we need to understand this, that life will always give you. It's your choice what you want to take it as. You want to call it as a negative point, you call at, sorry, I'm fumbling, you call it as positives, because that will only make the difference. Because if you know, if you believe that it's a positive thing, you eventually positive will follow. I believe in this theory of attraction, because unless you don't have anything in your hand, you all you can do is just believe and have faith. And when you have faith, things will follow in the track that you wanted to it go. So just see the goods as goods, bads as bad, but don't come out with a regret every day. Like, if you feel that okay, this day has been hard on me, you should let it go. Like, take your time, adapt to it, understand what's happening, and then move ahead, because that's how life it is. Because unless you don't move out, unless you don't just go away from, uh, deal with those feelings, you won't be able to maybe experience the good things in life. Maybe you'll miss something that's very important for you, and that was the only thing that you had, like, in a happy side. So try to balance those things. Like, I know everyone feels bad. I feel bad about failures, about rejections, about something that's not in my hand, and I've given my everything to. But after a while, after a time, I've learned somehow to give it up, like, to let it go. Because unless you let it go, life will keep giving you the same thing that you want, because you are not right now in a state of mind to deal with it, and life wants you to be in a state of mind where you are able to deal with it. So it's just a game of trials, basically. So the day you are fine with whatever the life is throwing at you, you are set to go to the next level. And that is how it works. So just deal with whatever you are in thought process you are right now, and let it go. Because take your time. It's not about 1 month, 1 day, 1 week, or even a 1 year. Just take your time, deal with that, and then move ahead to better things. Because you decide what's good for you and what's bad for you, because life will always give. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya.